What's up everybody, welcome back to Linux Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a quick update on Floki. Wanted to give you my thoughts. I know quite a lot of you are still holding or trading Floki. And overall, I like to be positive. I like to be bullish. And if you look at some of the meme coins like Bonk and Pepe and Floki, they have dropped down quite a bit since yesterday when we got that bearish momentum from Bitcoin. But overall, I think Floki technically is actually still bullish here. And I do think that there's potential. I think meme coins, if we really are going to get into some sort of a cycle again, some sort of a bull cycle, then I do think that meme coins have a good chance to perform very well. Right? If you remember back in February and March, meme coins were popping off. Right, and Floki is backed by DWF Labs. You saw Token doing quite well. Our RWA narrative has a little bit of an effect on Floki. So yeah, I do think that Floki has potential. Now, obviously, to start off and by zooming out a bit into talking about the fundamentals, the one thing that Floki needs to really be bullish is a bullish Bitcoin. All right, so if you really want to see a super strong Floki that breaks above its main resistance level right here at 22,000 and rallies back up to 26,000 and 25,000 up here, have a look at Bitcoin. We need two things from Bitcoin, and that is some bullish breakouts above 65 and 66,000 and volume. All right, we need much more volume than this. I'd say volume above 50 or $40 billion is enough, together with bullish breakouts, to assume that the market is getting a bit stronger. At this moment, that's not the case. So, but if you look at Floki, the thing is that we have dropped down quite a bit. But in general, we hit a resistance level right here at 20,000. It's a big resistance level. You can see historically, but also psychologically, that's quite a big level. And even with that resistance, we've been able to hold this support level, which we broke above on Tuesday, late Tuesday. And we're still holding that, all right? You can see we had this massive downtrend right here. We broke above that, and so far we are still holding that. All of the EMAs are still below the price. And we've had maybe we've had a minor bearish breakout right here below 19,300. That's a bit of a key level. But overall, we're still holding most of the levels we broke above. So technically, Floki is still relatively bullish. And you can also see making higher lows, making higher highs. So now the main question is what will Bitcoin do? All right, because if Bitcoin starts to drop down lower, I think Floki right now is strong, but if Bitcoin drops back down to 62 and 61,000, then I think Floki is just going to drop back down below 17,000, which I would say is the main support level, to also drop back down to 14 and 13,000. So Bitcoin is of a heavily influence right here, and if I'm just being completely honest with you, I think you should look at that instead of at Floki. Because if you look at Floki, Floki is ready, all right? So you can see that we've had a significant momentum decrease, but the momentum right now is actually going up quite nicely. Or at least we are seeing a bounce from this support level right here, and it's still up a lot in the last five days. So if some bullish momentum returns in the markets, let's say Bitcoin breaks above 65,000 right here, then Floki will follow. Floki is ready to rally back up to this level right here at 21,500, and if Bitcoin is able to break above even higher with some volume, then Floki can also break above this level at 21,500 and get up towards 25,000. And technically, just purely because of the market structure, I think this is most likely. Now, do I think you should buy Floki though? No. Wait for that momentum, wait for some bullish technical confirmation as well from Floki, and then it could be a good idea. But for now, especially given the fact that Bitcoin still looks more bearish than bullish after this drop, I wouldn't buy. This is most likely technically and theoretically, but the moment that Bitcoin drops down lower, we'll just see this drop, all right? So that's... It's not that much of a prediction, but it is an analysis, and hopefully I know for a fact that you will be prepared with this analysis. All right, so keep it in mind, look at those levels, keep an eye on Bitcoin, and then you'll be good. For now, that's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.